back to my channel, and today I'm here with a special guest. I mean, you're not really that special because you've been here a lot.
Yeah.
I've been on this channel a lot. She's special. She's my best friend. And she doesn't have a name. She doesn't want to introduce herself.
My name is Raina.
Occupation.
A student.
Age.
20.
Location.
Jakarta and Los Angeles.
Boy preference.
My reaction was like, oh. Basically, we are gonna see what a lot of people do during Christmas, which is like wrap presents, gifts to other people, and I guess kind of decorate a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna use her for labor. This is what the video is about. We're gonna use Arawinda for free labor for Christmas.
Yeah. So yeah, this Christmas we're spending it a little bit different because it's the pandemic and we have our face shields on. And then sometimes we also switch with masks. But she actually already had, like 2 days ago, she had a family swab test.
Yes, we did.
And I had a rapid test last week because I was shooting something. Yeah, but this is still a safety precaution. Anyways, as you can see, we are using kain. So this is a kain Christmas because it wouldn't be an Arawinda video if it's not kain.
I agree.
We were actually supposed to do Secret Santa, but gak jadi karena mendadak.
Yeah.
But maybe later. So this is just gonna be a snuggly little vlog. You choose to follow it till the end and good for you. You guys love my sweater dress? No? Okay. You guys like my Christmas socks? Look at these.
What is that in the middle of Semanggi? The big, simpang susun Semanggi.
Okay.
Sudirman balik lagi langsung ke Menteng.
Kilos? Kalian udah ngeliat kita decorate kan? I wanna go to shop house and get ice cream.
Bisa loh kalau mau hari ini boleh kan? Kalau gitu.
So, do you like my outfit?
I like it, but I would like it better if we were kain.
Oh, okay, so you wanna... Okay, so this is very interesting. I bet kalian nggak pernah lihat Christmas with kain. Her grandma, she has like a kain like wonderland because why?
I mean, she collects kain from all over Indonesia. She has 2 big closets isinya kain tenun, kain whatever you want to
batik.
Yes.
Yes.
She's seen it, so we're gonna go there
I've seen
again.
it. I haven't seen it. I've seen it. We've established that I've seen it.
Ini nggak kelihatan batik, tapi sebenarnya ini batik.
Itu dari mana?
Ini dari Solo belinya. Pas kawinan Pak Jokowi ngawinin, saya beli ini.
So Raina's grandmother gave us a ton of kain, and I'm just gonna haul through each and every one of them so I can show you guys which ones she picked out for us. She picked out some kains that have Christmas vibes, so like red, green, gold, white, and we're on the floor. We have this beautiful kain Bali, and she gave this because it has really dominant colors of red and green, and it has gold all over. So this is her interpretation of Christmassy kain. And then next we have another kain in the belly, and it has a little bit of a teal green. I can work with this. I can work with a lot of this. God, I wish I had this closet. And then this is another kain Bali rayon. It's a darker shade of green and it has a little bit of an orange, but it can pass off as red in some parts, I guess, like that. Terus ini dari NTT. This is gorgeous. It's so incredibly thick. Handmade dari NTT. And then we just have another couple of batik kain that I don't know specifically where they're from because her grandma didn't really specify. One has like chicken patterns. This is my personal favorite and I'm gonna wear this, I think. It has white and red and green. I love that. Yeah, and the last one is this all red. One of my favorite parts of holidays is if you get to dress up.
Yes.
So we're gonna change into our kain, but I don't think that we can wear kain with like this thick sweater dress and that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna change into
White tops. Slowly disappearing.
Let's make like a couple. Okay, she has chosen the chicken, the red kain that we do not know where it's from. I have chosen the kain endek Bali yang hijau and this like white red batik.
I was thinking like di kedua terus di stroke gitu or
Okay, so I'm going to layer and kalau misalnya cewek, ini pendeknya tuh terus mereka tutup dari kiri. Jadi dari kiri tutup kanan. Kalau cowok
kebalikannya ya.
kebalik. Kalau cowok dari kanan tutup kiri. It's just like buttons, you know? Kalau misalnya kemeja cowok kan buttonnya beda.
Iya.
Trial and error. I still don't know what I'm doing, but
Yeah. She's the guru here.
I am not. I may be a guru to you, but to other people, I am still the apprentice. Okay.
Yeah, I think to my grandma you'd be like an apprentice. Oh my god, guys, you should see my grandma's skills. Dia kayak udah jadi.
Ya, obviously nggak segini lama ya.
Yeah. Oh, this is smart.
Okay. Woo.
It's
Okay, my last one is I'm gonna layer. Ooh, if you see like kain kayak gini, terus di depannya tuh ada beda sendiri. Ini namanya tumpal.
oh.
Tumpal. So this is supposed to be the one in front. Oh, but I don't want it to be in front. I want the front one to be white. Whatever. We're not gonna use the tumpal today. I'm sorry. Jadi ini mau aku layer kan. Jadi aku lipat dulu biar lebih pendek daripada the front one.
Dalam nggak kelihatan dong.
Ya emang nggak mau kelihatan. I just want the green one untuk kelihatan di bawah. This is what orang-orang Melayu, orang-orang Sumatera, they do this. They stack their kain like that. And usually mereka kayak kamu suka lihat orang Sumatera misalnya bawahnya pakai celana, terus atasnya pakai kayak kain tapi cuma segini. This is the method.
I see all the guys in Arawinda, they always do this.
Yeah.
And I thought like, dang, this is so cool. They're like layering on kain.
Okay, and now aku mau bikin teknik namanya wiru. Jadi wiru itu tuh where you have the ruffles in the front.
I'm like a student, I'm just like listening to her.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. It's cute though. One of the year. Okay, so this is our final look. Yay! A kain Christmas, a kain mess. Oh.
You want to use my shoes first?
Yes, please.
My Christmas nails.
It's very simple because all we have to do is essentially just put those little bonbons inside here. Bonbons are the things that like, they like, you have to like...
Ini bukannya ada di Mr. Bean?
Yes!
That episode, iya kan?
Yes! That's the one!
I'm Christmas cultured.
Oh. So what you do is you tarikin and then tarik sis. Ada isinya nanti di dalamnya gitu.
We love that Christmas later. So, Raina, what are your New Year's resolutions or aspirations or a bucket list or anything?
Definitely to come back to the US, to continue studying there. Hopefully get my first acting gig in the United States. Amen to that. And just continue doing everything that revolves around what I love to do, which is theater and acting. Yang di luar sekolah gitu. And get a job. I need a job that pays well enough so that I can not only fund myself, but I can also bless others and treat other people. So my question to you, what is your New Year's resolution?
I mean, I've taken a gap year, and because of the pandemic, I've taken an extra gap year. So basically, I had a 2 gap year, and I feel like next year should be the time that I finally actually go to America for university. Yeah, because it's been so long overdue and it's been delayed so many times, and I just hope that it actually happens next year because I need to actually, start studying film in America. Well, before I can actually reach America, that means I have to get more jobs here in Indonesia first, so I can save up for university and help my parents pay for that. So I just hope that as the year rolls by, I get more films and get more other jobs and just work well. It's all career oriented, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because I'm a very career driven person. Like sometimes it's honestly really sad because sometimes I don't get to enjoy my life just as much because I'm always thinking ahead about my future and my career and everything. So yeah, maybe that could be a resolution. Like my resolution could be like I want to be more chill. I could be more go with the flow. Actually, it kind of sounds scary, but yeah. That's probably it. Hope you enjoy. Love you guys. Bye. Bye.